Hey guys, welcome to Fun Studies. I'm Aprame and today we are going to learn HTML coding to create a website and we will even use CSS. So let's start. So HTML is a coding language which helps us to create websites. So most of you code HTML using Notepad. I'm going to use VS Code, the Visual Studio Code. And this is one of the program I created. I'm a fan of Avengers and I created a website. Let's open and check how does it look because I even use CSS here. I'll just show you 1 minute. I'll open it with live server and here we got CSS, a title, headings, images, paragraphs, links, and in the last I'll show you and even few lists. So in this video we will learn all the tags, how to do coding in Visual Studio Code, how to do HTML, and we will create other websites like the website I created here. So I'm going to create a new file and so I insist you to check this icon constantly, index.htm. Now the icon changed or L. So index.html, I named my program like this. So you might think, why am I using VS Code? So here in the previous program, which I showed you about the Avengers, here there it shows in different colors. So I feel that coding is fun, looking at that colors, and after that it helps me. As 1 minute, I'll just show you. Just by clicking the exclamation mark, you get this Emmet abbreviations. And by clicking enter once, you get the basic code. Even we get the code using the metadata. So I don't want all this. I just need a title HTML. So doc type HTML, what does it mean? The doc type HTML specifies the browser that this program which we are opening or the website which we are opening is created using HTML language. The next one is the head tag. In this tag, it contains information about the document, all metadata which we saw. The next one is the body section, or in the head we can keep the title, or outside the head also you can keep the title. It does not vary. Title. So once let's open this with live server. Why did I stop live server? I'll open with live server. So here the name, it shows document. So that is the title given and there is nothing in the page. So I'm going to close this. And the body tag. The body, it contains everything which is displayed in the web page, like the paragraphs, the images. So in the website I created all these things except the headings. From this paragraphs, everything till the links, the lists, links, till the links, everything comes under the body. So now let's learn how to start coding of a HTML page. So first, everybody install VS Code. Then just click the exclamation mark and get the code, the basic code. And after that, you delete that metadata part so that you get something like this. And now let's start coding. In the body. So first thing in the body, everyone wants to insert is a paragraph. So VS Code helps me like this. As I click the bracket and click P and close it, the ending tag of the paragraph also comes. So here, if I don't, so now I'm explaining to you. And now there is no thought in my mind what to keep in the paragraph. So what can I do? I just want some dummy paragraph. So what can I do? I'll just click lorem, and here the emmet abbreviation again came. And if I click enter, then some dummy paragraph comes. I don't know if it is English, but some. So let's open it with live server. And this is a dummy paragraph. So live server is an extension which we have to download in the VS Code. Here in the extensions section, you have to download it. And now let's move on. So this is the paragraph. After paragraph, so before the paragraph, we want the heading. The heading so heading comes like H1 to H6. So I'm going to show you all these tags and my heading. So this is the one I will keep, and I'll just copy paste this H1 thing and paste it 5 more times. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. So now I'll just show you one trick. Clicking Alt and cursor, it allows you to keep multiple cursors at one time. See, this is my cursor, but here H1 in the second part, you can see everything. So how many cursors I want, I can keep. By clicking once again, the cursor disappears. So I just Alt and tick. So I'm going to delete it. H2. Again, Alt. One minute. There is some error. There is some error. 1 minute. Alt. H3. Alt. H4. So instead of this multiple cursors, I'll use the single cursor. I'll just delete it. H5 and H6. And in the endings also have to change. H5, H6. So in the closing tags also have changed, and now I'll open with live server. So here you can see all my headings. So H1 is the biggest heading and H6 is the smallest heading. And after that, there is a paragraph. The next, after headings. So in this lorem one, I'll just copy it. Means I'll just delete it and I'll click lorem 300. Now we get a paragraph of 300 words. Let's check. So here we got a paragraph of 300 words. So in this paragraph, if I want to break the line here and here, so in few places, if I want to break the paragraph into different lines, then I have to use the line break element or the BR element. So here I will keep a BR tag here. Next one, after some more time, I'll just scroll it. The next one, I'll keep it here. And like that, if you insert few break tags, line breaks, and I'll just forward it. And I kept about 3 break tags. And now I'll open it with live server. So here we got a break here, here. From here, I did not keep a line break element, so it did not get broken. So I'll close all the other tabs. So in live server, it will update automatically. So this is about the BI tag. The next one, in the body, we will insert few images. For this, after the paragraph, I'll create some space. Yeah, here I'll keep image img. Now we need a source for it. src equal to, and in the double quotes, we will go to Google and search some image. Which image? Some HTML coding. So in this HTML coding, some images I'll copy like this one. Open image in new tab. Open image in new tab. And now I will copy this thing. Control all. 1 minute. Copy. And in the source part, I just paste it. And we will close the code. And now we will check in our document. We'll once save it. Here we got this image. So we have to save and check in the live server. So we got this image. So I'm just giving you a brief explanation about all this, or else if we want to learn so much, we can give the height as this much, breadth as this much. So I just don't want to explain it now. After the images, we will learn links. Link. So we will use an anchor tag, reference equal to, and in the double quote, we will give some link. Which link? www.google.com. So we will www.google.com, and we gave this thing. So after this, we will close the anchor tag and we get an ending anchor tag. In the between, we will keep click me to Google. Click me to Google. I'll keep something like that. I'll just save it. And now in my document thing, here we got this link. Click me to Google. I'll click this. 1 minute, there's some error. Yeah. I understood. HTTPS. 1 minute. www.google.com. So this is the link. We need a HTTPS thing. I forgot about it. I'll just delete this thing and use this. So now I'll save it. And now let's check our document again. Click me to Google. Now if I click, I get the Google, I'll get into the Google website. After images, after links, let's get into lists. So list, there are two types of lists, ordered list and unordered list. In the ordered list, we get it in the ABCDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, Roman numerals, etc. So object 1, so let's copy this thing. So before few years that thing worked, ordered it, and I don't care if it is object 1 again and again. And now I'll save it and check. So here in the list, we will add UL, an ordered list. Inside that, LI tab, and tab again. So here, tab 1 time, and here I'll close my UL tag, unordered list. So now let's save this. Let's save this and check. How much time does it take? So here we got the unordered list. So After that, if we want some ordered list, then we will keep OL and now save it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So OL here is equal to A. Let's save this. No. OL not style type. This is equal to A. Let's save it. A, B, C, D, E. Not type is equal to A. Let's keep it I. Not I, small I. So here they give it like small a indicates lowercase letters, capital A indicates uppercase letters, small I indicates lowercase Roman numerals, capital I indicates uppercase Roman numerals, and 1 indicates numbers, which is already default. So small Roman numerals, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the list. So this is the basic coding of HTML using the images, using the heading, using the title, using the paragraphs, using the links, using the lists. So let's go deeper into CSS now. So CSS here. So first thing, we will just change the background. So all this comes under the body. So in the body, style is equal, body style is equal to and here inside this background color, and here we can select any color which we want. So I'll take something like this dark red. I'll save it, and now my body is dark red, and I want to change the font color. Font color is equal to, in the colon we will keep light blue, and I'll close the tag. Save. 1 minute, there is some issue. Actually, I did not do coding from few years. Font color. So here, this thing, the ending tag should not come. That is the problem. I'll check. This is light blue, but due to red, we are not able to check properly. I'll just delete this light thing. So this is blue. Now, as you can see, or it looks like violet. And this is the basic CSS part. Changing the font color and the background color. Let's go some more detail into this. See, if you check my code, I'm only changing the font color. I'm using links, I'm using paragraphs, and nothing more than that. Gray, links, images, list, and that is all. So this is the basic document which we created using CSS, using HTML, inserting images, inserting links, inserting paragraphs, inserting headings, inserting lists. So all this is the basic program or the basic website. So that, and this is the same thing. I just kept the background color as black, inserted different font colors, inserted few more images, not like this, only one image. I used about 3 to 4 images, inserted one link for every character, and I inserted like that. And so that everyone will know that it is my website, I kept in the heading itself by Aprame, R Aprame. So video, I explained you about the basic HTML thing using some of the CSS. So today we are going to do the same thing, but totally we are going to depth inside the CSS. So first thing is the background properties. So I'm going to share my screen. Not this thing. So this is the program which we made in. This is the heading, the images. And what did we learn about the CSS? Just a background color, font color, nothing more than that. Why? So here the background properties, there are different background properties like the background color, background image. So here we already inserted the color. We can insert the image, background position, background attachment, background repeat. So all the things we can use. So here in the image, we have to specify the URL. So setting the background color, let's learn once more. 1 minute, let me close this. Yeah. So in the previous code, this index.html. So here we used the background color and font color, not more than that in CSS. So let's create another file. index2.html. So this is the second version of the index.html. And let's leave this thing, just delete this thing. The title, body. Now again, let's learn how to insert the body. Style equal to background color. So first thing only is background color, enter. So now let's check some other thing. Green, yellow, it seems. Let's insert that. So that is the background color. Yeah. Next, so let's save this document, open in live server. So total green, because there is no paragraph, no heading, nothing will be visible. I'll just insert the paragraph so that at least something is there. Lauren. Now let's say about 1,200. Let's enter, save. We have to always save the document. So Oh my God. This one paragraph is too much. Let's delete this thing. Control Z, not lorem. Okay, lorem 120 is better. Let's save. Delete lorem 120. So if it comes like the MAT abbreviation, then only it will work. Control S. Yeah, this thing works. So next, background image. So how to insert the background image? So now here, body background equal to, and the link which I wanted, closing the tag with the JPG. That .jpg or .png is the most important thing. And let's check the file. And now let's see. The image is OP. And after that, the font thing. Font color is equal to white. And let's close the tag and delete the font tag. The closing font tag, save, and now see. So there is a dummy paragraph. With the background image. So this is how to insert background image. So this is all about this video.